America's founders, of course, wanted to secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity. And in the Constitution, that is stated very clearly. But now a federal judge is allowing so-called Constitution-free zones near the border. What's that about? William Lajeunesse is live in Los Angeles with more on that for us this morning. Good morning, William.
Well, Martha, you know the Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable searches, and yet when you cross the border, Customs can open your trunk. Now, the question is, should it also have the right to inspect your laptop or cell phone, not just there, but far from any border? The administration says yes.
I knew that my rights had been violated, and then I would need some help.
Islamic studies student Pascal Abador was returning to New York from Canada when a customs official asked to see his laptop, which contained photos of Hamas political rallies in the Middle East.
I explained it to the immigration officer that the reason I had these photos was that this was my research.
Abador was cuffed and held for hours, while his computer was searched for 11 days.
The ACLU does not oppose the search of laptops or other electronic devices at the border, but we do think that whenever the government examines the contents of someone's electronic devices, they ought to have reasonable suspicion.
But they don't. Whether arriving at a port of entry in Arizona or an airport in Los Angeles, Customs has the right not only to look inside your bag, but your computer, cell phone, hard drive, or camera.
The Supreme Court has consistently held that border officers can search without any level of suspicion for routine border searches.
The Obama administration argues warrantless border searches are essential to public safety. A federal judge in Abador's case agreed and dismissed his claim.
We think that having a purely suspicionless policy is wrong because it leaves border agents with no standards at all to follow.
The ACLU may appeal the Abador case, but many believe the High Court will intervene to reconcile old laws with newer technology.
Where the courts and I think the political authorities need to think through is trying to find what is the right balance between achieving that security end and respecting people's privacy and civil liberties.
So critics say this expansion of search powers is typical of the administration's dragnet approach, Martha, to national security. They want the courts to impose restrictions to protect privacy.
This is a lot of very interesting questions. William, thank you very much. We'll see you next time.